Hello, welcome to E Prime. This evening I am Daedran. Spice pulls out of grooving in the park. Just days after it was announced that Spice was to join Minister Marion Hall as headliners for the New York-based Reggae Festival for its 10th anniversary show, the Queen has cancelled. Yesterday, Spice took to Instagram where she apologized to fans for saying it was for multiple reasons beyond her control. She extended the apology to the event promoter saying, quote, "They were extremely professional during this time. I take full accountability for this decision," end quote. The Queen of Dancehall was added after adverts featuring Minister Marion Hall, and the anticipation was high to see the two sharing the same stage and possibly some signal of uniting. Groovin' in the Park, set for this weekend, is a high point on the New York Reggae calendar and will feature a 90s showcase with Wayne Wonder, Baby Sham, Frisco Kid, along with Taurus Riley, Minister Hall, and Charlie Wilson. The Little Mermaid makes milestones over the weekend. Disney's The Little Mermaid is showing a proper last lap. According to data out of the US, the movie, which struggled after its debut week, was impressive over the last weekend, where it passed 3 milestones at the box office: 250 million mark domestically, 200 million internationally, and 400 million worldwide. Disney is very hopeful that the big-budget film will finish strong, as it is estimated to earn $500 million worldwide before closing out. The Little Mermaid debuted at 117 million in the extended domestic opening weekend and generated 168 million worldwide globally in its debut. It is estimated to have cost $250 million to produce. For perspective, Disney's last major theatrical live-action remake, Aladdin, managed to secure $1 billion worldwide. Talk about big budgets. That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.